Hello students, welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. Myself Pushpendra Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic NON's rating system in noise pollution. Today we will discuss on the topic noise standards and limit values. Students, let's start. The increasing ambient noise levels in public places from various sources, inter alia, industrial activity, construction activity, generator sets, loudspeakers, public address systems, music systems, vehicular horns and other mechanical devices. तो जो नॉइज़ लेवल में इंक्रीज होता है स्टूडेंट्स, वो किसकी वजह से होता है? इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी की वजह से होता है, कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी की वजह से होता है, जनरेटर सेट्स की वजह से होता है और लाउड स्पीकर की वजह से होता है, पब्लिक एड्रेस सिस्टम की वजह से होता है, म्यूजिक सिस्टम की वजह से होता है, व्हीकलों के जो हॉर्न्स हैं उनकी वजह से होता है और भी मैकेनिकल डिवाइसेज है, इनसे क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? नॉइज़ लेवल इंक्रीज होता है. हैव डिटेरियस इफेक्ट ऑन ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड द साइकोलॉजिकल वेल बीइंग ऑफ पीपल. तो किस किस पे इफेक्ट होता है इसका? ह्यूमन हेल्थ पे भी होता है, ठीक है ना, और जो लोगों की साइकोलॉजी पे भी क्या होता है, इनके बहुत अच्छी तरह से प्रभाव पड़ता है, ठीक है. इट इज़ कंसिडर नेसेसरी टू रेगुलेट एंड कंट्रोल नॉइज प्रोड्यूसिंग एंड जनरेटिंग सोर्सेज विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मेंटेनिंग द एम्बियंट एयर क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ नॉइज. तो इसको कंसीडर करना ज़रूरी है. किसको कंसीडर करना? जो ये नॉइज़ प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, ठीक है, इसके कंट्रोल को, जो नॉइज़ प्रोड्यूस हो रही है इसको कंट्रोल करना, इसको रेगुलेट करना बहुत ही आवश्यक है. जो सोर्स है जिनसे नॉइज़ क्रिएट हो रही है, ठीक है ना, जिनसे नॉइज़, ये जो पॉल्यूशन है इंक्रीज हो रहा है, उन सबको क्या करना है? जो कंट्रोल कैसे कर सकते हैं, रेगुलेट कैसे कर सकते हैं, इन चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है. और इनको जो मेंटेनेंस कैसे करना है, जो भी सोर्सेज है उनको मेंटेनेंस कैसे करना है, ठीक है. इन सब चीज़ों को हम क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? माइंड में रखना ज़रूरी होता है. वेयर एज ए ड्राफ्ट ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल एंड रेगुलेशन रूल्स 1999 वाज पब्लिश्ड अंडर द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया in the Ministry of Environment and Forests wide number SO 528E dated 2 जून 1999. ये रूल बनाया था नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन के लिए, इसको कंट्रोल और रेगुलेट करने के लिए. तो ये जो रूल है स्टूडेंट्स, ये कब लागू हुआ था? ये 2 जून 1999 को, ठीक है. अब इसमें क्या क्या पॉइंट थे? इन्वाइटिंग ऑब्जेक्शंस एंड सजेशंस फ्रॉम all the persons likely to be affected thereby before the expiry of the period of 60 days from the date on which the copies of the gazette containing the said notification are made available to the public. The objections and suggestions received from the public in respect of the said draft rules have been duly considered by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by clause 2 of subsection 2 of section 3 subsection 1 and clause B of subsection 2 of section 6 and section 25 of the Environmental Protection Act 1986, 29 of 1986. Read. The central government hereby made the noise pollution regulation and control rules 2000 for the regulation and control of noise producing and generating sources. Definition. Authority means any authority or officer authorized by the central government or as the case may be the state government in accordance with the laws in force and includes a district magistrate, police commissioner or any other officer designated for the Maintenance of the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise under any law for the time being in force. Person in relation to any factory or premises means a person or occupier or his agent who has control over the affair of the factory or premises. Ambient air quality standard in respect of noise for different area or zone. The ambient air quality standard in respect of noise for different areas zones shall be such as specified in the schedule annexed to these rules. Schedule ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. Area code A, B, C, D. Category of area zone: industrial area, commercial area, residential area and silence zone. Daytime and night time. Limits of dB. इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में जो डे टाइम लिमिट होती है स्टूडेंट्स वो होती है 75, नाइट टाइम लिमिट है 70. कमर्शियल एरिया में 65 डे टाइम, नाइट टाइम 55. रेजिडेंशियल एरिया में 55 डे टाइम एंड नाइट टाइम 45. साइलेंस जोन में 50 एंड नाइट टाइम में 40. Second point, the state government may categorize the area into industrial, commercial, residential or silence area zones for the purpose of implementation of noise standard for different areas. The state government shall take measure for abatement of noise, including noise emanating from vehicular movements, and ensure that the existing noise levels do not exceed the ambient air quality standard specified under these rules. All development authorities, local bodies and other concerned authorities, while planning developmental activity or carrying out functions relating to town and country planning, shall take into consideration all aspects of noise pollution as a parameter of quality of life to avoid noise menace and to achieve the objective of maintaining the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. An area comprising not less than 100 meters around hospitals, educational institutions and courts may be declared as silence area zone for the purpose of these rules. The noise level in any area zone shall not exceed the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise as specified in the schedule. The authority shall be responsible for the enforcement of noise pollution control measures and the due compliance of the ambient air quality standard in respect of noise. Student, restrictions on the use of loudspeakers public address system. A loudspeaker or a public address system shall not be used except after obtaining written permission from the authority. A loudspeaker or a public address system shall not be used at night between 10 to 6 am except in closed premises for communication within auditoria, conference room, community halls and banquet halls. Consequences of any violation in silence zone area. However, in any place covered area, the silence zone area commits any of the following offence, he shall be liable for penalty under the provision of the Act. Whoever plays any music or uses any sound amplifiers, whoever beats a drum or tom-tom or blows a horn, either musical or pressure, or trumpet or beats or sounds any instrument, however exhibit any mimetic musical or other performances of a nature to 44 raw crowds. Complaints to be made to the authorities. A person may, if the noise level exceed the ambient noise standard by 10 decibel or more given in the corresponding columns against any area zone, make a complaint to the authority. The authority shall act on the complaint and take action against the violator in accordance with the provision of these rules and any other laws in force. Power to prohibit, etc. Continuance of music, sound, or noise. If the authority is satisfied from the report of an officer in charge of a police station or other information received by him that it is necessary to do so in order to prevent annoyance, disturbance, discomfort, or injury or risk of annoyance, disturbance, discomfort, or injury to the public or to any person who dwell or occupy property on the vicinity, he may by a written order issue such directions as he may consider necessary to any person for preventing, prohibiting, controlling, and regulating. The incidence or continuance in or upon any premises of any vocal or instrumental music, sounds caused by playing, beating, clashing, blowing, or use in any manner whatsoever of any instrument, including loudspeakers, public address systems, appliance or apparatus, or contrivance which is capable of producing or reproducing sound, or the carrying on in or upon any premises of any trade, avocation, or operation or process resulting in or attendant with noise. The authority empowered under sub-rule first may either on its own motion or on the application of any person aggrieved by an order made under sub-rule 1 either rescind, modify, or alter any such order, provided that before any such application is disposed of, the said authority shall afford to the applicant an opportunity of appearing before it either in person or by a person representing him as showing cause against the order, and shall, if it reject any such application, either wholly or in part, record its reason for such rejection. Thanks students for watching. Today we discuss noise standards and limits value. First one, noise pollution. Definitions: ambient air quality standards in respect of noise for different area zones. Responsibility as to enforcement of noise pollution control measures. Restriction on the use of loudspeaker, public address system. Consequences of any violation in silence zone area. Complaints to be made to the authority. Power to prohibit, etc. Continuance of music, sound, or noise. स्टूडेंट्स, पीडीएफ आपको प्रोवाइड करवा दी जाएगी इसकी, ठीक है। कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।